welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve year 2023 slot 2. So let's see what our question says. 3 participants, Akhil, Bimal and Chatul, participate in a random draw competition for 5 days. Every day, each participant randomly picks up a ball numbered between 1 and 9. The number on the ball determines his score on that day. Okay. So whatever ball the particular participant picks, that will be the score. Okay. The total score of a participant is the sum of his score attained in the 5 days. The total score of the day is the sum of participants' score on that day. The 2-day average on a day except on day 1 is the average of the total scores of that day and of the previous day. For example, if the total scores of day 1 and day 2 are 25 and 20, then the average then the 2-day average on day 2 is calculated as 22.5. Okay. Table 1 gives the 2-day averages for day 1 through day 5. Okay. So this is the average for day 2. It means day 1 plus day 2 divided by 2 is equals to 15. Okay. Now, if day 1 plus day 2 by 2 equals to 15, then day 1 plus day 2 will be equal to 30. Okay. Then if day 2 plus day 3 by 2 is 15.5, then day 2 plus day 3 will be equal to 31. Okay. If day 4 is 16, that means day 3 plus day 4 by 2 is equals to 16 and day 3 plus day 4 is equals to 32. Okay. And if day 5 is 17, so day 4 plus day 5 divided by 2 is 17 and day 4 plus day 5 will be equal to 34. Okay. Now let's see what more information is given. Participants are ranked each day with the person having the maximum score awarded the minimum rank. So whoever scores the maximum will get rank 1. Okay. On that day, if there is a tie, all participants with the tied score are awarded the best rank. For example, here on day 3, Akhil and Bimal have the same rank, so they both have the same score. Okay. For example, okay, this example and the following information is known. Chatur always scores in the multiples of 3. Okay. His score on day 2 is the unique highest score in the competition. His minimum score is observed on day 1 and it matches Akhil's score on day 4. The total score on day 3 is same as the total score on day 4. So this is a very valuable information. If day 3 and day 4 का score same है, that means day 3 and day 4 are equal. So I can write here day 3 plus day 3 is equals to 32. Instead of day 4, here I am writing day 3 because the score is same. So 2d3 is equals to 32 and d3 is equals to 16. So my total score on day 3 was 16. If I got my score of day 3, I will get my score of day 4. That will also be equal to 16. And with the help of this, I will get my score for day 2, that will be equal to 15. For day 1, that will also be equal to 15. And for day 5, that will be equal to 18. Okay. So for day 1 it was 15, for day 2 it was 15, for day 3 it was 16, for day 4 it was 16, and for day 5 the total score was 18. Okay. Now we are known that Chatur always scores in the multiple of 3 and here he has scored the highest. Okay. We have to pick a ball from 1 to 9 and here it was the highest, unique highest score and it should be a multiple of 3. So obviously the answer here would be 9. Okay. Now his minimum score is observed on day 1. Minimum score and a multiple of 3 would be none other than 3. Okay. Now if he scored a unique highest score over here and minimum multiple of 3 over here, then among 1 to 9 the only multiple left would be 6. So here he will score 6. Okay. Now the total score on day 3 and day 4 is same. Okay, and the score of Chatur on day 1 matches Akhil's score on day 4. Okay, so Chatur's score on day 3 is on day 1 is 3, and Akhil's score on day 4 will also be 3. Now if this is 16, this is 3, this is 6, 9, 16 minus 9, that would be equal to 7. So here it would be 7. Okay, now Bimal's score are the same on day 1 and day 3. Bimal scores same over here. If it's x, here also it would be something x. Okay, now if see, Akhil's score on day 3 will be equal to Bimal's score on day 3 because they both get the same rank. Okay, so if Bimal gets X score on day 3, Akhil will also get X score on day 3. Okay, so the total is 16. X plus 6 is equals to 16. That would be equal to 2x plus 6 equals to 16. 2x is equals to 10 and x would be equal to 5. So value here would be 5, 5 and 5. Now if I got 5 over here, 3 over here, the total is 8 and the total score on day 1 is 15. So I'll get this answer, that would be again equal to 7. Okay, now here I want to make the total as 15 and here I want to make the total as 18. Okay, now for 15 I need 4 here, 2 here and then 9 here. 1, this is the one case, or I can take 5, 1 and then 9. Okay, now here to make 18 I can take 7 here, 7 plus 6, that would be equal to 13 and 5 I can take over here. Okay, and or I can take 8, 4 and 6. Okay, so this would be my possible cases. Okay, so the rank of Bimal was more than that of Akhil. So here I have to take 5 or 4 he can score here and 7 or 8 he can Bimal can score here. Okay, because the rank of Bimal is more than that of Akhil. Okay, now let's see what our question says. What is Akhil's score on day 1? So Akhil's score on day 1 was 7. Option 3. Okay, who attains the maximum total score? So the maximum total score will be attended by, see, Chatur will get 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 18, 30. Okay, his total will be 30 and the maximum total score would be of Chatur. Okay, what is the minimum possible total score of Bimal? Now for minimum possible total score we have to take all the values that are minimum. So 5 plus minimum of 2 and 1, that is 1, 5 plus 1 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 7, that would be equal to 25. Okay, if the total score of Vimal is a multiple of 3, what is the score of Akhil on day 2? So if the total score of Vimal is a multiple of 3, that would be equal to 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 7, 19 and 19 plus 8, that would be equal to 27. That means he took values 2 and 8. That means on day 2, he will take value 4. So option 2 will be the answer. If Akhil attains a total score of 24, then what is the total score of Bimal? Okay. Now, if Akhil attains a total score of 24, that means he took values like 7 plus 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 3 19, and 19 plus 5, that would be equal to 24. That means he took 4 and 5. If he took 4 and 5, then Bimal has have to take 2 and 7. That means the total score of Bimal would be 26. Okay. So students, the set is completed. I hope you liked my explanation. Do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.